Assalamu alaikum. Standard 5th subject e-wish to revision, and the topic is evolution of mankind, and I have divided this chapter in three parts, that is stages of evolution. So this is the part 1. In the previous lesson we learned that the primitive man evolved from apes. Now what does evolution means? Evolution means gradual and continuous change, a series of change or development that cause species to adapt to environmental changes or become extinct is called as evolution. For example, the species of dinosaur which could not adapt to environmental changes became extinct. That means we are not able to see dinosaur in today's world. The next step for humans was learning to use their hands effectively to make tools. Homo habilis to Homo sapiens sapiens. This is the stages of development of man. Man evolved in different species. The skilled humans, that is, the species of humans who could use their hands skillfully, is known as the skilled humans. The first evidence of this species was found in the border region between Tanzania and Kenya in the continent of Africa. The scientist Louis Leakey, who discovered this species, named it Homo habilis because beside their fossilized remain, he found some tools made by them. In Latin, homo means man and habilis means the one who uses his hands skillfully. So, they are called as Homo habilis could stand on 2 feet and walk. His spine was slightly bent and not quite erect. His brain was bigger than that of the apes, although his face and limbs were somewhat similar to theirs. Spine means the backbone which helps us to sit or stand erect. Tools made by Homo habilis were not useful for hunting big animals. They had limited use, such as scraping meat from the skin of dead animals or breaking bones to get the marrow. We can infer from this that Homo habilis was a forager, means he could not hunt big animals and he used to use the animals who were dead and they used to eat it. He ate the leftover of animals that had been hunted by other animals. It is possible that he hunted small animals and gathered. Erectus marks an important stage in human development. Erectus means the one who stands erect, hence the name Homo erectus. Compared to Homo habilis, he had a more developed brain. Humans of Homo erectus species lived in groups. Having seen wildfire, humans knew about fire. It is likely that Homo erectus had learned the technique of fetching the burning branches of tree to use the fire. During his time, most of the earth was covered in ice sheet. Therefore, the climate was extremely cold. Homo erectus could survive in that extremely cold climate because he had learned to use fire. However, he had not yet mastered the technique of making fire. Tools made by Homo erectus were more developed and symmetrical compared to those made by Homo habilis. Homo erectus made tools like the hand axe. Remains of Homo erectus have been found along with his tools in the continent of Africa, Asia, and Europe. Homo neanderthalensis, Neanderthal mans. One more stage of development in human evolution. Question number 1, fill in the blanks. First, the species who could use their hands skillfully is known as dash, the skilled human. Second, the scientist dash discovered this species, Louis Leakey. Third, dash means the one who stands erect, erectus. Fourth, Homo erectus made tools like dash, hand axe. Question number 2. Answer each question in one sentence. First, Latin meaning of word Homo habilis. Answer. In Latin, Homo means man and habilis means the one who uses his hands skillfully. Second, where were the remains of Homo erectus found? Answer. The remains of Homo erectus was found along with his tools in the continents of Africa, Asia and Europe. Third, animals hunted by Homo habilis. Answer. Homo habilis hunted small animals and gathered eggs while fruits and roots do eat.